Within a matter of minutes, the grease built up heavily in the pot, and very suddenly started hearing a low-pitched scream and the smell of burning human flesh.
I am the god of hellfire, and I bring you fire.
The first thing that went through my mind was a medevac to get Taylor to a U.S. hospital in Miami. Quite a sight to see and quite a stench to smell.
You fought hard and you saved and earned, but all of it's gone to burn. Hold your mind, you turn it right, you know you've really been so blind. Now's your time, burn your mind, you fall apart, you fall behind.
Ooh, fucking shit.
Oh. Yeah, right. Oh my. Oh my god. That is fucking disgusting. Oh, oh. Damn. Oh, yeah. String that.
Yeah, now I gotta get that guy too.
God.
Oh, that piece of stock.
How fucking disgusting is that?
It's science. Oh, there we go. Oh, man. Alright, turn it off. I'm good.
You're gonna burn.
Luckily, Taylor was calm, cool, and collected. Applied first aid by himself, wrapped it, and we left the next day, and he took care of it from there.
You can't take the heat, get your ass out the kitchen. We on a mission.